Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Rosalind, and I'm here with my friend and co-presenter, Arene. We are excited to share with you some incredible travel destination in Sarawak. We will be taking you on a journey through the luxurious Miri Marriott Resort and the breathtaking Permai Rainforest. Arene and I have a shared passion for exploring the beauty and culture of Sarawak, and we are thrilled to bring our experiences and insight to you today. Throughout this presentation, we will be highlighting what makes this destination unique and why they should be on your travel list. We hope you enjoy the presentation. Let's get started. Today, I am excited to introduce you to one of the premier destinations in Sarawak, Miri Marriott Resort. This luxurious resort offers an ideal combination of modern amenities, breathtaking coastal views, and a serene environment, making it the perfect getaway for both relaxation and adventure. Whether you are planning a family vacation, a romantic escape, or a business trip, Miri Marriott Resort has special offer to you. Miri Marriott Resort is located in the vibrant city of Miri, Sarawak, known as the gateway to Borneo's beautiful natural wonders. The resort is conveniently accessible via Miri Airport, which is just a short drive away, making it easy for travelers to reach the stunning destination. Now, let's talk about the accommodations. Deluxe rooms provide a cozy retreat with plush bedding, contemporary decor, and stunning city or garden views. These rooms are equipped with a high-speed Wi-Fi, a flat-screen TV, and a mini bar to cater to guests' needs. Ocean view suites elevate the experience with expansive windows and private balconies, offering panoramic views of the South China Sea. These suites come with a separate living area, luxurious bathroom, rainfall showers, and upgraded amenities for an added touch of comfort and sophistication. For those seeking ultimate privacy and indulgence, the resort private villas offer an exclusive sanctuary surrounded by lush tropical gardens. Each villa features a spacious layout with a private punch pool and outdoor lounge area, and direct beach access. Guests staying in the villas also enjoy personalized service, including a dedicated concrete and in-room dining options. The resort is well equipped with a range of facilities to enhance your stay. You can take a refreshing dip in the large swimming pool, unwind at the world-class spa, or maintain your fitness routine at the state-of-the-art fitness center. The resort features multiple dining options, including fine dining restaurants and casual bars, offering a diverse range of local and international cuisines. Each dining experience is designed to tantalize your taste buds while you enjoy the stunning surroundings. For a more relaxed atmosphere, the resort beachside grill offers delicious barbecue options paired with refreshing tropical cocktails, perfect for an alfresco dining experience. There is also a cafe serving freshly brewed coffee, artisanal pastries, and light bites for those looking for a quick snack or a leisurely afternoon tea. Miri Marriott Resort is not just about relaxation. It also offers a variety of activities to keep you entertained. On site, you can engage in exciting water sport, participate in culture events, or simply relax on the pristine beaches nearby. For those looking to explore, the resort is close to several attractions, including beautiful beaches and world-class golf courses. Additionally, guided nature walk and excursions are available for guests who wish to explore the surrounding natural beauty, offering a deeper connection to the local environment and culture. Evenings at the resort can be spent enjoying live entertainment, team dinners, or simply stargazing by the beach for a truly magical experience. What truly set Miri Marriott Resort apart are its unique features. The resort boasts breathtaking panoramic views of the South China Sea, offering a captivating backdrops that enhance every moment of your stay. Whether you are enjoying a sunrise breakfast on your private balcony or unwinding with a sunset cocktail by the infinity pool, the mesmerizing vistas create an unforgettable setting. Guests can also enjoy exclusive services such as personalized spa treatments or private dining experiences. Cater the individual wellness needs, including custom aromatherapy sessions, hot stone massages, and rejuvenating facials using premium organic products. The attention to detail and commitment to excellence make every guest feel special. In conclusion, Miri Marriott Resort offers a comprehensive luxury experience, top-notch accommodations, exceptional facilities, and a wide range of activities, all set against the backdrop of Sarawak's natural beauty. From its stunning coastal views to its unmatched service, Miri Marriott Resort promises an extraordinary escape that will leave you with cherished memories and a desire to return. With its blends of luxury, natural beauty, and personalized experiences, Miri Marriott Resort ensure that every guest leaves feeling refreshed and inspired. Its exclusive dining option to its bespoke wellness treatments, every aspect of the Miri Marriott Resort is crafted to provide an exceptional and memorable stay. Whether you are looking for relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, the resort is a top choice for travelers seeking the very best.
Hello everyone, my name is Arene. Today I will be introducing you a truly unique destination, which is Permai Rainforest in Kuching, Sarawak. This eco-resort offers an immersive experience in one of Borneo's most pristine rainforests. Whether you're a natural lover, an adventure seeker, or someone looking to disconnect and reconnect with nature, Permai Rainforest provides an unforgettable escape. For location, Permai Rainforest is situated just outside of Kuching, Sarawak. It's making easily accessible for both local and international travelers. The resort is nestled at the edge of the rainforest, offering stunning views and immediate access to the natural wonders of Borneo. A short drive from Kuching City will bring you to this secluded paradise where the rainforest meets the sea. At Permai Rainforest, there are no shortage of activities to engage in. For those who love nature, jungle trekking is a must, allowing to explore the dense rainforest and its rich biodiversity. If you prefer a more relaxed pace, a river cruise offers a peaceful journey through the mangroves, where you can spot the wildlife in their nature habitat. Wildlife spotting is another highlight, with opportunities to see various species of birds, mammals, and insects. The resort also offers guided tour and cultural experience, providing deeper insights into the local environments and indigenous culture. Permai Rainforest offers unique accommodations options that allow guides to fully immerse themselves in the nature environment. You can choose to stay in one of the tree houses perched high above the ground, providing a bird's-eye view of the lush surroundings. Alternatively, the rainforest cabin offers a cozy and comfortable to stay, blending eco-friendly design with rustic charm. Each accommodations option is designed to minimize environment impact while maximizing comfort and connects with nature. For nature attractions, Permai Rainforest is heaven of biodiversity, offering rich and diverse landscapes that are a treat for the sense. The rainforest is home to unique flora and fauna, many of which are endemic to Borneo. As you explore the trail or relax by the river, you will encounter everything from towering trees and vibrant orchids to playful monkeys and exotic birds. The scenic landscapes with a mix of rainforest, river, and coastal view and make it every moment at Permai Rainforest a picture-perfect experience. Beyond its nature beauty, Permai Rainforest is also a place of cultural and educational significance. The resort provides insight into the life and traditions of the local indigenous community, offering cultural programs that highlight their connections to the land. Additionally, Permai Rainforest is committed to conservation and ecotourism, making it a model for sustainable travel. Guides can learn about ongoing conservation efforts and how they can contribute preserving this precious environment for future generations. In conclusion, Permai Rainforest is more than just a travel destination. It's an experience that combines the best nature, adventure, and culture. With these unique accommodations, rich biodiversity, and deep cultural connections, it's an ideal spot for nature and adventure enthusiasts alike. Thank you for your time, and I hope this presentation has inspired you to explore the wonders of Permai Rainforest.
As we wrap up our presentation, we hope you have gained a clear understanding of what makes both Miri Marriott Resort and Permai Rainforest exceptional destination in Sarawak. Miri Marriott Resort is the perfect choice for those seeking a blend of modern luxury and relaxation, with top-notch facilities and stunning views of the South China Sea. On the other hand, Permai Rainforest offers a unique eco-adventure where you can connect with nature, explore biodiversity, and learn about local native cultures. Together, these two destinations highlight the incredible variety in Sarawak's travel experiences. Whether you are looking for a tranquil escape or an adventurous journey, Sarawak has it all. Thank you for your attention.